Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and today I am freezing my butt off doing an inspection of the Gardner cabin built in 1857 down in Spirit Lake, Iowa. And this is one of the few cabins that I've seen that still has the old-time daubing material in it, and it's got a cedar shake roof on it with really thick, long shakes, like 2 layers of them. And I can't believe it. I was just in the inside. It doesn't leak. It needs a lot of work. The homemade gutter up there should be replaced. Window needs glazing. Daubing needs to be redone. Over here, there's the logs are so close to the ground. I'm sure there's well, this one's been partially replaced, and the rest of it looks like it needs to be as well. It's probably a 12-inch diameter log. Over here on this side, the sill log is pretty bad. That one is a good 12 inches diameter, and it partially replaced. It looks like there's 3 different sections. This one on the left end is really bad. We got an up-facing crack here, check, which is not good. You can see somebody's patched in some material there using some black dirt instead of clay. Over here somebody did some repair work, covered up an old window or something, possibly. The repairs inside are pretty obvious. You can see some beetle infestation out here, but inside there really isn't that much evidence of it. And I swear that log is covered up with cement on the inside. A sill log. Over here it looks like there was another opening that has been abandoned and covered up. Oh, here's another patch job done with black dirt out of somebody's garden. Well, yeah, on the front side, the floor is almost at grade level. It's amazing that you don't have water running inside the thing. So anyhow, that's it for the Gardner cabin. And this window here is, I think it looks like it's plexiglass. That surely isn't original, but something was replaced there. You can see the logs that are pieced in up above it. Well, that is about it. I think the wind chill, it's about 10 degrees below 0 here, and I am done.